But I can say that our supporters, specifically from Cebu and Mindanao, kasi Cebu we got 118,000 votes, and Mindanao almost 100,000. Then medyo frustrated sila. In fact, I've been getting several messages, PM, not only by people online, but also my real friends who really ask me what happened with my vote. So I had to
Medyo frustrated, medyo lang, ha? Tumahimik kaya. Ito na yung sinasabi natin mga kadunatics na talagang makakarma at makakarma tong mga to. Ayan na, nagalit na yung constituents niya mga kadunatics dahil pumirma sa impeachment case ni Inday Sara Duterte. Alam naman natin mga kadunatics anong nangyari kay Representative Odacoda. Basta, wala akong pakialam sa pangalan niya. Eto, ang sabi niya dito mga kadunatics, alright? Okay, nagbitiw na mambabatas, inaming nadismaya ang mga supporters sa pag-vote ng yes sa impeachment ni Inday Sara Duterte. Ayan. Kinarma talaga mga kadunatics. Wala pa sanang balak na mag-resign to. Alam mo naman, paldong-paldo pa sa Kongreso. 300,000 mga kadunatics a month? Magre-resign ka lang? No way. Kahit nga wala kang ginagawa doon mga kadunatics, dahil sa sobrang dami nila, wala namang pumapansin. Basta yung presensya mo andun. Ganun naman talaga ang Kongreso mga kadunatics. Kaya nga useless yung body na yan mga kadunatics. Diba? Nadismaya, plus, napilitan na siguro itong mga kadunatics dahil sa 20 million allegedly na payout sa kanila. Paldong-paldo pa rin mga kadunatics. Pero, ito nga lang, for life ka na, hindi ka na makakabalik sa pwesto mo. For life na yan mga kadunatics, ipinalit mo sa ano? Sa what? Kaya nga, darating ngayong araw, napakaaga mga kadunatics, dumating yung araw, no? Eto, panoorin natin yung interview niyo mga kadunatics, which, obviously naman, dinay nila, pero halata sa mukha niyo mga kadunatics, yung pagsisinungaling at yung pagkadismaya na nagalit yung constituents sa kanya. Eto, panoorin natin.
well, it's a personal reason. I have to take care of my health and take care of my family.
Look at his face mga kadunatics. Look at that. Hilaw mga kadunatics, napakahilaw. Sobrang plastic kung tumawa. Take care of your health? Really? Family? Nako, mas maganda ata siguro kasi may insurance ka pag nasa kongreso ka, di ba? May sahod ka pa. Take care of your health. Nako.
Sino po ang papalit sa inyo?
The party list is still deliberating internally kung sino ang ipapalit, but rest assured, it will undergo process and capable ang papalit.
Sino po may second nominee niyo?
Ang second nominee is George Alino. He's from Olongapo, but we're still waiting for the deliberations ng party namin.
Kung may rumor kasi na lumabas sa social media a few weeks ago na si Elmer Catulpos daw ang papalit, is this true or do you address any of these rumors?
That's also a possibility. We'll just wait for the party decision, but I trust yung party decision namin will be fair.
For context lang po, sino po si Elmer Catulpos sa party ninyo?
Siya po yung chairman ng party namin. Siya rin po ang main supporter po natin through Brigada.
So, clarify lang po natin, there's nothing to do with the impeachment vote po ninyo.
Ay, wala po. Our vote po was just following the direction of the majority, and yun po kasi yung party decision namin to follow the majority.
Kung hindi
What kind of argument is that mga kadunatics or reasoning? Ganito talaga magbigay ng reasoning ang mga guilty mga kadunatics. Ganito, can you imagine? Sabihin mo na dahil majority decision ng grupo nyo, ng party list nyo, kaya nag-decide ka na din na pumirma ng yes. Anong klase yan mga kadunatics? Akala ko ba, as far as voting is concerned, may independency mga kadunatics? Vote on your own authority or right. Anong klase yan? So it means kahit hindi ka kumbinsido, dahil majority yung bumoto ng yes, boboto ka na din. Anong klase yan? Bakit ka naging congressman? Oh no! So dinidiktahan na yung desisyon mo. Wala ka ng sarili mong desisyon dyan sa kongreso. Isa kang tokmol. Useless ka. Ay nako. Yan yung mga reasoning ng mga pumaldo, mga kadonatics.
Di ba kayo na pressure na ano kasi you said na health, may health reasons daw. Baka naman po kayo na pressure po kayo or anything.
On my end, wala naman. Wala naman. It's really
Hindi kayo na
personal
pressure
reasons.
outside or
I
inside.
like this reporter, mga kadonatics. Later on, magpapakita tayo in the next video, okay? Na tinanong niya ito sila Coque Ridon, Luistro, ng magagandang tanong, mga kadonatics.
Outside forces or kasi may mga nag-aakusa sa inyo na baka nakatanggap daw kayo ng mga funds after you voted for the impeachment.
Well, to be honest, wala akong natanggap. I was absent yesterday when it was announced.
Guilty talaga yung kanyo.
So, as to the rumors that we received 20 million cash, that's fake news po. Wala po ako kahapon. I was in the Senate trying to observe the impeachment process.
Anong klase yan? Wala kami natanggap kasi wala ko kahapon. Anong klase reasoning yan? Ay, nako. So, kahapon lang ibinigay. Mga kadonatics, grabe kabugok talaga. I am not bright, mga kadonatics, pero nakita ko talaga na bugok talaga sila. Ganyan yung mga on the other side. Yung reasoning nila, mga kadonatics, is being tainted with maletas and everything, with corruptions.
Guys, what's with your health? You said you have to take care of your health.
I've been getting dizzy the past few months po. Maybe I think because I never stopped campaigning starting October of 2024. And even nakaupo po tayo, I think makikita naman natin sa social media post ko na I go to at least 2 provinces every week to ensure na we address the concerns of yung mga nagsuporta po sa amin.
Sir, the one you mentioned earlier, siya po ba yung owner ng party list?
Siya po yung, yes po, siya po yung chairman po ng ating party list.
Sir, yung yes vote ninyo on impeachment, was this consulted dun sa party list? Pareho po ba kayo ng posisyon?
Yes po, there was an internal discussion po on what the vote will be. And the party list decided to vote yes po for the impeachment. The main consideration po ng party list namin was to see what is the explanation and to see what really happened sa mga accusation po.
So, gaano ito katagal pinag-isipan to? Nagkaroon ba kayo ng hesitant na ituloy yung resignation?
Well, medyo torn, no? Kasi syempre, I have been working with NGOs and helping people since 2009. And mahirap, but at the same time, I have to take care of myself then in order to take care of other people.
Sir, clarification, yung sinabi ninyo na papalit sa inyo, is that the second nominee, not the second nominee?
Well, there's no decision yet. We're waiting for the party list to decide on who will really replace. As you know, 10 yung nominees doon and magde-deliberate sila kung sino ang nababagay na ipapalit po sa akin.
Bakit hindi yung second nominee, sir?
That I don't know pa kasi magde-deliberate pa lang sila. And we're just waiting for the deliberations.
Sir, have you addressed yung pong sinasabi na term sharing sa party list? Na nung nag-agree kayo dyan sa party ninyo ay meron talagang term sharing? Ganun ba yung kalakaran?
Well, we didn't execute any document. For me, it's really a personal reason given my situation po na medyo kailangan ko magpahinga. And at the same time, my kids are growing up. 4 years old and 2 years old yung mga anak ko po. Medyo kailangan ko na po silang tutukan.
Ngayon lang, pagkatapos talaga ng impeachment, pagboto mo talaga ng yes, noon hindi mo yan naisip. Anong klase yan, mga kadonatics? May mga anak ka pala, hindi ka nahiya nang ipinapakain mo sa anak mo ay galing korupsyon? Sa pambubudol? Anong klase yan, mga kadonatics? Kaya, nako! Your children will grow up, mga kadonatics, knowing their father was a scared man, was a budol man, and a corrupt man. Yan yun, mga kadonatics, tatatak at hindi na tumawawala sa kanilang history. Ang pagboto na ng yes, mga kadonatics, it will remind him forever. Yan yung kagandahan. Para sa inyo, karma yan, mga kadonatics.
Yung partido nung nagpaalam po kayo sa
Well, they thank me naman kasi we handled this, imagine from 2022. This party list was bottom 10 and then when we started to handle, we were able to get number 44 in terms of ranking. So they thank me for whatever I've done and they're open naman daw to whatever help that I can give to them.
Kung di ba kayo nangihinayang dahil na you're now nearing on your second year of your term and then you suddenly resign, then ay di ba kayo nangihinayang sa mga programs and policy niyo, yung mga fields na finali niyo? Di ba nangihinayang?
Well, when it comes to programs and policies, medyo Pero actually, I've received several calls from fellow congressmen kanina na they are willing to continue yung mga bills na sinubmit ko. In fact, earlier may bill ako dapat for deliberation, yung strategic investment na committee. So gusto ko sanang ipapush yun ng mga ibang kasama ko. I-highlight ko lang, no, very happy with the calls of Kong Nico Daza and Kong JC Abalos na gusto nilang ipatuloy yung mga programs and at the same time bills ko na unique for the Filipino people.
Kung correct me if I'm wrong, ilan sa mga sumuporta sa One Tahanan are people who are allied with the Dutertes. I remember Bongo supported One Tahanan in the 2025 elections. Did he and other allies of the Dutertes get upset or frustrated with your vote to impeach the Vice President?
Ako, wala akong personal engagement when it comes to their camp. But I can say that our supporters, specifically from Cebu and Mindanao, kasi Cebu we got 118,000 votes, and Mindanao almost 100,000. Then medyo frustrated sila. In fact, I've been getting several messages, PM, not only by people online, but also my real friends who really ask me what happened with my vote. So I have to
Medyo frustrated, medyo lang, ha? Tumahimik kaya.
explain.
Kung sorry,
Factor yun, sir. Factor yun sa
Actually, hindi rin. Kasi as leaders, we have to stand by difficult decisions. And it's one of the things na inaccept ko naman when I decided to run for this position.
kung kasi meron akong narinig kasi na yung mga ilang radio station daw ng brigada were solidly pro-Duterte.
And at the same time, medyo mabilis ako mapagod for the past few months. So it's one of the things na gusto kong tutukan for the next few months.
Kung ano
Ngayon, pagod na talaga siya. Pagkatapos pumirma ng yes sa impeachment, sobrang pagod niya na mga kadonatics. Hindi na siya makapag-serbisyo. Kaya eto na. Bumitaw na lang with 20 million. Ay, paldong-paldo.
Wala pang final medical assessment mo.
Wala pa po.
So, you just have to want to protect yourself. Kasi nga medyo pagod sa trabaho.
Yes po.
Sir, yung chairman nyo, nasa top 10 nominees.
Nasa number 4 po.
Number 4 siya. So, kung sakali, aakyat siya para humalili sa inyo. For now, yun yung pulso ng party.
If the party decides na siya po, yes po, mauna siya sa dalawa ahead of it.
Have you talked to him, sir?
Yes po, and then as per our discussion, they will still deliberate po kung sino yung papalit.
Sir, bakit number 4? Hindi number 2 and number 3?
Naku, wala pa pong sinasabi kung sino yung papalit. It's just that we just have to wait for the party list decision.
Kailangan ba yung decision ng COMELEC yan? Yung pagpapalit mo nila?
I'll answer ka naman.
Kailangan ba ng decision ng COMELEC yung pagpapalit ng
Yes po, since the House already declared a vacancy, it will be transmitted to sa COMELEC. And then COMELEC will examine if there is necessity to proclaim or not. If they proclaim, ipoproclaim nila yung next in line. Sorry, I forgot your question.
2 and 3 magre-resign. Yung second and third nominee magre-resign if ever.
If the party list decides, yes.
When's the next deliberation, sir? When po kayo mag-usap ng party?
I don't know the exact date, but it should be scheduled this week po.
How do you feel, sir, about all of this?
Well, medyo nanghihinayang with all the work we've done, pero at the same time, I still believe na a lot of people will continue what I've done naman.
Nangihinayang kayo, sir? Dahil
Ang dami ko pong gustong gawin pa pero I mean, that's politics and that's public service. You really have to learn how to step back. Kasi once you commit yourself into power na gusto mo magstay there, then there's something wrong with you.
Sir, was resignation the only option? Can you just slow down? Can you just slow down and take it a bit easy as opposed
or
to
baka maging committee de silencio.
completely resigning?
Well, I really think I need to focus more on health and family. And slowing down, knowing my personality, parang hindi ko matanggap na hindi ako nagtatrabaho ng todo. But by removing myself from this position, I'll be able to really focus on my family and myself.
Has this something to do with the owner of the party list wanting to take the party list now?
Wala naman. Wala naman.
Kung have you pack up your office na? Since na, I mean, did nag-pack up
From this position.
Ay, nako. Ayun. Sobrang karma. The way he answered question, mga kadonatics, makikita mo talaga na, ayaw niya sanang magbitiw, mga kadonatics. Sobrang nangihinayang siya sa 300,000 monthly salary niya, mga kadonatics. Pero nga, galit na galit yung taong bumoto sa party list na ito. Tapos, health issue. mukhang healthy na healthy yung datingan niya dito mga kadonatics. Hindi niya ba naruga yung pamilya niya habang andun siya for so many years from 2022? Ngayon pa? Pagkatapos pumirma ng impeachment case? Wag kami, mga DDS, mga kadonatics, hindi bugok. Makikita mo talagang kabugukan ng mga dilawan, pinklawan, loyalista mga kadonatics, di ba? Though, sinasabi nila sa social media mga kadonatics na mga bright daw sila, maalam daw sila, fluent daw sila. Now, I would want to ask you, sino sa mga DDS na mga politiko, or sino dyan, prominent DDS politicians or lawyers, nalutang kung magsalita? Lutang na lutang. Ang nalalaman ko na lutang si Bongbong Marcos, Leni Robredo, yung mga sinusuportaan nila mga kadonatics. At etong mga ganito mga kadonatics, yung nasa baba nila, puros lutang kung magsalita. Palang, ewan ko sa kanila mga kadonatics. Anyway, yan yung mangyayari pag inuna mo yung kasakiman mo mga kadonatics. Karma really hits hard. And for the next video maybe mga kadonatics, patutsadahan natin yung isa na bumitaw din. Baka nga, may susunod pa sa kanila. Anyway, thank you so much and God bless you mga kadonatics. Don't forget to like and subscribe. Ingat palagi. Bye-bye.